Hey everyone, we're at JFK Airport. We're at Terminal 4, Delta Airlines. We're going to be flying to MCO, Orlando International Airport. We just finished our lounge, Maharaja, and we're walking towards the gate. There's Rishik, he's doing a lot of work. He is my channel ambassador. And we're at the gate, B33. Just waiting for the flight. A lot of people. Here's my crew. You like it? You wanna be pilot? Yeah, I'm also a commercial pilot. I used to fly airplane.
Oh yeah? Dude,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
I used to do a lat for 10 and jet stream.
Oh wow, that is awesome, man. Heck yeah. It's a fun job, man.
You like it? Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. Have you ever had the trading cards?
Yeah, that's all he want. He collect all of them.
Oh, nice. Let me grab one for you here. I don't think I have any wings. Maybe the
It's okay. No, it's fine. That's fine. No
The
problem.
flight attendant has wings.
Just take one.
There's a card for you.
Okay.
That's the airplane you're on
So
today.
thank you. Can I do handshake? I'll do the video. So thank you.
Man.
You want to stand here in the corner? Wow, look at the video. Stand. So folks, we're at Orlando International Airport. We just landed from JFK International Airport. And where are you going, Rishik? We're going to pick up the bag now. Let's go. Let's go. How many bags do you have, Rishik, today? We have 4 or 5 bags. How many bags?
We have 2?
We have 2 bags? No, we have 4 bags.
We have 6.
We have 6 bags? Alright, let's do...
We have 6.
There's 6 bags? Okay, you ready? Are you hungry? What do you want to eat today? Alright,
I want to eat
what do you want to eat?
Shake Shack.
Shake Shack? Okay, we can get a Shake Shack. Alright,
Because Shake Shack is my favorite.
here's our JFK Cruise Center. Okay, we're getting to the car rental. We are going to the garage, and here's the waterfall. He's gonna jump to the waterfall. He's very hot. We'll take P1, okay? That's a nice waterfall, but it's very humid, guys. Okay, it's very hot. All right, just can't wait to get our car. The car we are getting, okay? And Mr. PJ, this is the last time I have to give him a lesson how to drive a Suburban. So PJ, get in the car. He's going to push to start, and this is a sport utility. Alright, so let's see if he can open the door. Oh, finally he gets to open the door, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get in the car, and we'll be driving shortly.
Look who's driving here. Boy, big boy. And we have Lucas, Java, Rishik, and Arya is hiding because she likes to hide. And Java and Priyanka.
Here, let me get Aria.
Okay.
And Aria. Aria.
Hey guys, we are at Disney Spring. We're parked at Orange Garage. Here's the team PJ. Here's the team Priyanka. Team Priyanka is catching up Jabas. For the drone show, there's a lot of people here. Some are tired, some are still energetic to see the show.
Look at the bed. Look at the TV remote. Light. Look at the table. Look at the kitchen. And what is that? So we cannot touch that. What is this? Please do not touch. So it says please do not touch. There's a picture upstairs. Look us. And look at this there. Hello. Right. We have another bed. Another TV. This is Bianca.
Oh my god, oh my god.
This is Aria. Shona. This is Lucas. Alright. You cannot touch it again. There's another bathroom with Mickey Mouse and Goofy. Oh, look at the special one, guys. Mickey Mouse bed. It's going to be Chicago. And look at this. It says think, learn, pray, be, smell, love, breathe, work, shine, dream, Rex, enjoy. Enjoy. Alright. Alright. Alright, hey Lucas. Oh my god, I'll just put the spell down. So that we have a lot of stuff, and then we'll go to outside. It's beautiful outside over here. It's hot. All right. This is Java. This is Ribbon, and this is BJ, and this is me, Rishik.